Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So today, before we get into the video, I wanted to talk about this product that was sent to me by YITAHOME. It's the Smart Touch Kitchen Faucet, and you guys, you are going to absolutely fall in love with this faucet because I sure have, and I am having a blast. So here I'm just going to show you just the little mechanics that comes with the faucet. It is very, very easy to install. We had my husband started, and then we had our contractor come and finish it off. But it is super easy to install, you guys. It comes with like the battery operated pack where you can put the battery in, and it causes it to have that easy touch, feel to turn the water on. And it also has like a sprayer, and it is super cool, you guys. I am just loving it. I'm bringing it closer so you guys can see it. It comes in the chrome and it comes in the black and the brass, and it is absolutely beautiful. It is so sleek. It is like so modern, but I love that curvature of the faucet. And I love the chrome detailing. It goes so well with my kitchen because I have all my stainless steel appliances. And of course, my stainless steel countertop. So it is super easy to install. It comes with all of its parts that you can hook up to your faucet underneath the sink. And it also comes with like I said, the battery operated packs that comes in the package as well. That makes it super easy to install. So here I am just showing you my old faucet, which y'all know I'm in the process of wanting to redo my kitchen. So this is the first step. These are the simple tools that you're going to need, just like an Allen wrench or a wrench. It is super easy, and it was so simple to be done. Also, I do want to say that my husband is not a handy guy or a plumber, but he definitely did go ahead and give it his best, you guys. He went under the sink to show you guys how easy it was to install and uninstall. So now this is the end result of the installation, and here I am just showing you how easy it is to work with this faucet. You guys, it makes it so much easier for me to cook. I mean, I can just, pile my spaghetti pot underneath the sink and not have to worry about it getting like hitched onto the faucet. I am in love with the sprayer. So in love with this thing. As you can see, it is super easy to turn on and turn off. It's easier for me to clean my kitchen sink, y'all. It's easier for me to clean the dishes if they pile up, because y'all know I got kids, and those dishes be piling up. So it is super easy, and I love it. I love it so very much. And to fill up my water pitcher, it's so much easier. Before, I used to put my water pitcher under the sink, and it was always like hitting the faucet because the faucet was super low. And now it's so easy and convenient to fill up my water pitcher, and I am just having a blast with it. So I am going to just leave you and go ahead so that you guys can kind of see what is, how all this comes about.
I just wanna hold you.
Okay, guys, so this is the battery pack that I was telling you guys about. It uses 4, I think it's AA or AAA batteries in the battery pack, and it's attached to the faucet itself, and then there's like a little black box that's in the back of my yellow wall. And you go ahead and put the batteries in, and then put the battery pack in that little black box. It keeps it away from water and moisture and everything. And this is what's going to cause the faucet to become like that touch-free faucet. that when you tap it with your fingers or with your elbows or whatever, the water automatically just comes on. Y'all, I am loving this faucet, and I want to thank YITAHOME so much for sending me this beautiful faucet and for being patient with me as well. Y'all, look at this. I am having so much fun. Look how easy that is to touch the faucet. The water comes on. All you have to do is keep the faucet itself turned on, and it is so simple and so easy. I'm just enjoying it. I'm having so much fun. Like, cooking is so much fun now. As you can see, I'm enjoying this faucet. This is probably one of the greatest pieces that I have in my kitchen, y'all. It's so functional. It's so sleek. It's so beautiful. And oh my gosh, I can't wait for y'all to try this out. If you guys are interested, I will definitely have the link down below in the description box where you can go ahead and purchase yours as well. There is also a discount code that I will have for you guys as well, linked down in the description box. So make sure you guys go ahead and cop that for yourselves, you guys. If you're renovating your kitchen or just want something new and fresh, this faucet is the faucet, you guys, and it is super, super affordable. You will not be disappointed. I guarantee you. I love this faucet, you guys. Look how much fun I'm having. I'm having so much fun. So thank you so much for YITAHOME for sponsoring this part of the video. And yeah, we are getting ready to go back into our regular scheduled video.
Look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
Hey fans, welcome back to my channel. So y'all will never guess where I am, y'all. Let me just I gotta just take y'all, if y'all can even guess where I am, okay? I mean, live in person. Wait, I gotta get the fireplace. Let me get the fireplace, y'all. Look at this. Live in person, okay? Can y'all tell me where I am right now? Can y'all tell me where I am? Who's that? Y'all tell me who that is. Huh? Look at this. Look at the beauty. Oh my, I gotta show y'all a spread. That's Tam, you guys! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, you guys! Look at this spread that Tam and her family laid out for us. Oh my god. If y'all from Jamaica, y'all know what all this goodness is. Oh, the bun and cheese. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, y'all. All the spread. Oh my goodness. Woo! Y'all, I'm at Tam's house. Look at this. Look, I mean, y'all, look at all that. She got the juice and everything. Can y'all just her backsplash? Let's just. Okay. Let's take it all in. Let's just take it all in. All this beauty. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Look at all this beauty.
Shushana, I'm hot.
Y'all need to tell Tam to do a house tour. Because, hello. Look at this. Hi, guys! We're vlogging each other. Y'all, I am so excited. It's been, how many years have we known each other?
It's been a while.
We've known each other for a long time. What, 5, 6, 7?
No, that's 7.
5?
About 6.
6 years, y'all. And this is our first time ever meeting. Ever meeting.
Oh my God, I can't get it.
We're like two kids. It's like Christmas morning. We're like two kids
Look,
in a candy
everybody
store.
are cleared out and left us alone.
I know, they're gone.
There are 5 kids
They're
here
gone.
and a husband.
Why
and,
they can't
and
ever-
they're nowhere to be found.
Why they can't ever do that though when we're home? I mean, you know what I'm saying? We should do this more often so they can clear out more often.
I don't know what's going on between them two.
You guys, I am so excited to be here. Oh my gosh. We left the house this morning like after 8. By the time, what is it? What time is it now? After 1? Yeah, so, you know, a good 5 hours.
5 hours.
Yeah.
Saturday morning traffic.
Yeah, it was a little bit of traffic because you know what happened? It took me on. All right, y'all, we're gonna catch up. We're gonna eat some grub, and I will see y'all in a little bit. All right. Oh, Tamara threw down. Okay. The spread. She threw down, you guys.
We had so much
such a good
fun.
time.
Oh my God, I can't. It's like it's so
I don't
surreal,
wanna
right,
leave.
Michael?
I don't want to leave.
So surreal.
I just took a
cannot.
nap.
Y'all, she's so cute. She is so sticking cute.
Tamara's funny. I just took a nap, y'all. The couch. Oh my gosh. It literally. I took a half an hour nap. It just was not enough. I had such a good nap.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tam.
You're welcome.
I had so much fun. Oh my gosh. I don't want to leave you guys.
Oh well.
This was so much fun. Ray, we gotta link up, okay?
Right, Ray.
We gotta come to New York, Ray.
Ray's like, I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous of y'all. I'm so sick of y'all.
We gotta come to New York, Ray. All right, so we can link up together. But we had such a good time.
Yes. ma'am.
Her family is the perfect host. Let me just say that first, okay? They fed us. You know, we had great conversations. The kids, they played together as if they knew each other for years, which they do. They did. And we just had a good time.
We had
And
an impromptu Michael Jackson.
dance. Yes, yes.
Nice.
I got a house tour. Are you gonna do a house tour? I'm trying to get her to do a house tour, but
She working
y'all,
on me.
Her house is beautiful from inside out. Everything.
Aw,
It's
thank you,
gorgeous.
Shushana.
It's gorgeous. I had such a good time.
Me too. And now I'm quiet because it's time for her to go. So
Shushana going to be in hosting Tamara.
Yeah, I'm gonna be
Oh.
hosting them.
yeah, next time.
I'm gonna be hosting. I don't know when, but sometime this summer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're gonna come up and I'm gonna host, and we're gonna have
Woohoo!
bust out the jerk chicken.
Road trip. See, if I knew you were coming lunchtime, I would have met the jerk chicken.
I know, but this was good though.
Okay.
This was good. We had such a good time. The food was amazing. I'm still full, and that was this morning. That was
Right?
this afternoon.
This
No,
was afternoon.
1 o'clock,
1
something like
o'clock,
that.
1
But
o'clock.
I'm still full, you guys. We just, oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. I don't want to leave.
We had so much fun.
We do.
It's
We
crazy.
do. It still amazes me though that something as amazing as YouTube, that you can meet each other.
Wow.
Who would have thunk it? Y'all,
On
I
YouTube.
used to watch her videos. I started watching her videos about 6 years ago. And then I would always write in her comments because I'm a commenter. If I'm gonna comment, I'm gonna let you know
Yes.
I rock with you. So she's like, "Oh my God, you're so cute in the comments. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You always make me feel so special as a kid." That's just what it is.
Yeah, she do.
So fast forward, she's told me to start my own channel. This one right here, because I did a
Because she's super, y'all know how uber talented she is, all right? Let's not act like, you know, she's extremely, and I saw the bed, y'all. The bed, the headboard
they
that
don't
she,
know nothing about
y'all
the
don't know
bed.
about the bed.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all don't know about the bed.
they don't.
Y'all think that all the DIYs, I mean, I'm looking at them, you know, all the beauties, all the stuff that she's done on her channel, it's all over her house, y'all. And
Yes,
it's gorgeous.
Oh,
Gorgeous. Y'all gotta see, I don't know, this bed. It's, go ahead, tell them.
I forgot what. Remo was like, I can't take you to.
So
I don't
we met
remember.
on YouTube, you guys.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Right.
We met on YouTube and we started talking and our friendship grew. And it's like now we're inseparable.
Right.
We talk almost every day. What, 2-3 times a day?
Probably not every day.
Not every day,
Because your
but
schedule
every
is
week.
crazy.
Yeah, every week, at least 3 times a week,
Yeah.
at the minimum.
Yeah. Every
We're
day
always-
if we can.
If we can, yes.
At
But
some
it's
point.
like sometimes we're going out to work and we just, hey girl, what's going on? How you doing?
Right?
Good?
It's 8:30.
It's 8:30. We off.
on lunch, waiting for my kids to walk in. They're walking at any minute.
You know, and now it's like we're sisters, and you know, it's just amazing, you guys.
Yeah.
When you meet somebody that, you know, and your friendship grows and you have each other's backs. Like, I feel like I've known Tam
Ever, right?
forever, like for decades, and it's only been 6 years.
Yeah, but technically not, because 6 years we were just in the comments.
Right.
When did we actually start?
I think the last year, right?
It was 2020.
2020. We really
2020.
started, really talking and getting to really know each other and our families and everything. It's been the most amazing time
And
getting
her
to
kids
know
are
her.
so daggone cute.
Oh, thank you. Her boys, y'all. Oh my gosh. Her boys. The sweetest. I call them the
They
triplets.
are.
Because they look like triplets to me.
Yeah. They get that all the time.
Yeah. But they
If
are
I'm
the
out with
sweetest.
2, they're gonna ask me, are they twins?
Are they
And if I'm
twins?
out with all 3, I get asked if they're triplets.
Yeah, they look like triplets, and they are so sweet, so like well mannered and quiet. You
Yeah,
know,
they
I just
are
I
very
love them.
quiet.
They're here. The house is quiet, but they're here.
Yeah, they're kids that live here.
They're kids that lives here. You know, but we just had such a good time. So, just wanted to stop by and let y'all know
We here
we here. We in New York City.
finally, y'all.
I know it's been a long time. Listen, there's been multiple times that I was supposed to come.
Right?
And it didn't go down. And this time I told her, I said, before I go anywhere else, I'm stopping at your house. And I'm so glad that we did. So
Yeah.
thank y'all so much.
Right.
Y'all hospitality is amazing.
Oh, anytime. Just
Y'all talk about Southern hospitality. This is the New York hospitality. All
Okay.
All right.
NYC.
You guys should give each other a pinch to let the viewers know that you actually still.
Oh, this is not like, look, see?
We're here. This is all real, okay? In real time. We are here together. And
Right.
we're having a good time.
The Shushana and Tam takeover.
And we're going to be bringing back the lives
Yeah.
on
we should do
Tam's
that.
channel.
We should do that.
That was so much fun last week.
Because we were live on Wednesday. And
Yeah, it was so much fun, y'all. We gotta,
It's like
yeah.
riding a bike.
yeah, it was so much fun. So I will check in with you guys a little bit later because I have some craziness that's about to take place with my mom, Dukes.
Oh,
Y'all know how she is, so we'll see y'all later, all right? So
Bye.
say bye, everyone.
Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up.
So hey guys, we are back on the road again. We're at Starbucks. We're about to, Michaela wants some Starbucks, so we're about to get her some Starbucks right now, and then we are headed back on the road. We're actually going to 2 different states today. We're headed down to my parents' house. We're gonna pick them up, and then we're headed to Connecticut because my uncle, his fiance is pregnant, and today is their baby shower. So I'm going to be vlogging a little bit of that and having a good time. So I will check in with you guys once we get to my parents' house. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a fantabulous day because we are.
You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me. Love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution.